O season of rain, fall on our friends. Like the tears of our grievers from the separation of loved ones. O the eye of the cloud, these tears are shed like musk. Since you envy the beauty of our faces. Look at this cloud crying, and look that garden are smiling. From the agony and cries of the Father, escape the sick ones. This heavy cloud gave truth to our dried lips. Giving the weight of truth to our lightweight friends. On the soil and plain desert, the sky made them jewel. They kill for desperation and love of thieves. This cloud is like Jacob and that flower like Joseph on the grass. As Joseph's face is broken from the tears of suffering. A drop of it becomes a jewel and a drop of it becomes gem. And becomes filled with overflowing wealth and blessings. The forest and gardens were blooming and blossoming. As the drooling drunks moved around aimlessly. Their lips are sealed like seashell as they avoid standing in the line. Until they return from the absence of our conscious ones.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.